In today's episode, we'll discover a cheap bedbug solution, the one and only Swiffer. Let's get started. Does Swiffer work for bedbugs? Common compounds found in Swiffer products that have an impact on bedbugs include surfactants and alcohol. Surfactants are known for their ability to disrupt the waxy cuticle on the outer surface of insects, which can lead to dehydration and ultimately death. Alcohol, on the other hand, acts through two primary mechanisms against bedbugs. Firstly, it accelerates dehydration by rapidly evaporating moisture from their bodies upon direct application, effectively causing their demise. Secondly, alcohol damages the bedbug cell membrane, resulting in both structural and functional harm that contributes to the death of individual bedbugs. How to use Swiffer for bedbugs. Step 1. Clean the infested surfaces. Use Swiffer cloth to meticulously clean and sanitize surfaces where bedbugs tend to lurk, such as along baseboards, furniture surfaces, and beneath mattresses and box springs. This method is absolutely crucial as it actively eliminates bedbugs and their eggs, reducing their presence and potential for infestation. Step 2. Vacuum. Attach a Swiffer cloth securely to either the end of a vacuum cleaner hose or directly onto the vacuum head itself. This combined approach enhances the effectiveness of your cleaning routine by allowing you to first vacuum up any visible bedbugs, eggs, or debris, while simultaneously wiping down surfaces where these pests may hide. This dual action not only physically removes bedbugs and their potential nesting areas, but also helps to maintain a cleaner and more hygienic environment overall during the bedbug infestation. For optimal results, it's advisable to complement the usage of Swiffer with additional bedbug control methods. To get rid of bedbugs all on your own, start by first laundering bedding, curtains, and clothing in hot water, and then dry them on high heat to kill bedbugs and their eggs. Isolate your bed with an encasement and a bedbug interceptor cup to prevent the bedbugs from getting to you during the night. Then, apply food-grade diatomaceous earth in cracks and crevices all around the bed, as it will dehydrate and kill bedbugs. Check out the description for a link to our most affordable and effective bedbug traps on the market. These bedbug traps are both affordable, chemical-free, and will effectively prevent bedbugs from biting you. See you soon, bedbug fam.